Well, guys, there goes Drew Van. I met him. He's a UPS driver, and he just delivered a very special knife that I will be showing you today. That's going to complete a set of knives. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Well, guys, here is a knife that the UPS driver just dropped off. I put insurance on it, had them ship it overnight, and I want to thank Austin Hasty for letting me know about this knife and where it was at. I called them, bought it over the phone, they shipped it, and I got it the next day. I told them, please ship it by UPS, please ship it overnight, because I didn't want it lingering around and being delivered by USPS, because I've had like 7 knives lost by USPS now. So, but anyway, this knife is fixing to complete a very important set in here. And I can't wait to reveal what it is. So guys, thank you all so much for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, here it is. I actually bought this from Wildwood truck stop down there in Wildwood, Florida, right off of 75. It's a big old truck stop. I used to stop in there and get fuel, stop in there and look at the chrome shop. That thing's been open a long time. Look here, guys. Check this out. $75 chrome shop. Check that out. Case Rupel collab. Abalone smooth case axe handle. How about that? Bill Rupel. Ain't that cool? This is going to complete my set, guys. Look at that. Check that out. Mr. Austin Hasty was down there, I'm going to say about a month or so ago, and he told me about this knife. And I was finally able to buy this thing. Look at that. That is absolutely good. I love the way that black is all in there. Look at that. Beautiful, ain't it? Wow. Abalone. Abalone. Look at that. Is that not cool? Or what, guys? My set is now complete. I'm going to continue to buy the small ones. But now I have the whole 6 right there. Is that not cool or what, y'all? Let's go put it in the display box. Check this out, guys. See that right there? Look here. Look at that baby doll right there. Set is complete, guys. Hoorah.
This is my knife. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My knife is my best friend. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. Without me, my knife is useless. Without my knife, I am useless. I must employ my knife true. I must be more prepared than any task that requires my hand. I must be ready to use my tool.
Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. There this thing is, y'all. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that black runs through there. But ain't that cool? I love it. And there it is right there, guys. That is so awesome. Awesome. Look at that. I love it. I love this. Completes the set. I'm not a big abalone fan or abalone handle fan, but to me this is one of the prettiest knives ever because it completes a very special set that Mr. Bill Ruppel designed these knives. And there's only 100 sets that can be completed because there's only 100 of these made and 100 of the Damascus blades made. So only 100 of these sets can ever be complete. The other 4 knives there were 200 were made, so only 1,000 total knives were made. So to have a full set of these is extremely rare, guys. And I just want to thank all y'all for helping me put this together, because without the Whatnot auctions and all the support, I wouldn't be able to pull this stuff off. I really wouldn't. But I'm so honored to have these in the Knife Museum here, a full set. And I've let Mr. Bill know, and he thanked me for buying them, and he can't wait to meet me at the Atlanta Blade Show. So that's going to be cool. I cannot wait to shake his hand and get a photo with him. I'm going to have him sign the boxes instead of the knives of all these. I'm just going to take the boxes up there is all I'm going to do, and he's going to sign each box. But that is absolutely gorgeous. But he started out knife making, guys, in 1988. He was a rancher and a farmer. He grew peanuts out in Pleasantville, Texas. And what really got him going, he went to Orlando, Florida in 1990 to a guild show, Knife Makers Guild, and seen Tony Bowes. I couldn't think of his name. I'm sorry. Tony Bowes. And he was so impressed, he started making knives. And he eventually collaborated with Case in 2024 when 1,000 of these were made. And now they're mass producing the slip joints, which I like those too. I'm going to try to get all the bones. All the ones that appeal to me is going to go in that display right there. But that completes the full set of the original Bill Ruppel axe handle knives, guys. And found it in a truck stop, which they're calling me right now because I'm buying some more knives. Hang on. Okay, guys, I just ordered some more knives from the Wildwood truck stop, the chrome shop. They'll be coming in. You can't find these anywhere. So, but they have them, and I'll let y'all know what they are when they come in. But anyway, just Bill. Bill is just a fantastic guy. I've been talking to him through Facebook Messenger for a few months now. He's a busy man, but I'm finally gonna get to meet him up there at the Atlanta Blade Show. I cannot wait. I cannot wait, guys. But there it is, guys. My set is complete. And I absolutely love this thing. I really do. And guys, I just want to let y'all know all the Memorial Day knives are gone. We sold what we had last night left on the Whatnot show. That went very well. Thank y'all so much for all the support. We was able to send America's Mighty Warriors $1,000. All thanks to y'all. Appreciate it so much. I really do. And again, next May, we're going to be doing it again for America's Mighty Warriors. We're going to try to make this an annual thing. Different saying, different knife. So that's going to be cool. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. But there's still a chance to win one, guys. There is a Mr. Old Knives Matter, Mr. Steve Coronado out in Roswell, New Mexico, UFO capital of the world. He's going to be giving one of these knives away. I shipped it to him this week. But he's going to be giving one of those Memorial Day knives away on Memorial Day, 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Whatnot. The link is down in the video description. So be sure to check this out. I'll be on there. I'll co-host for like a minute or two. But it's going to be cool. Hope to see y'all there. But again, it'll be this coming Monday, Memorial Day, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So again, thank y'all so much for all the support because it couldn't happen without y'all. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today. I've got to go out and about today with Miss Val. She's getting off at lunchtime, and we're going to go shopping a little bit. So anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night.
When I woke up this morning,
Stay sharp. Check this out, guys. See that right there? Look here. Look at that baby doll right there. Set is complete, guys. Hoorah.
This is my knife. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My knife is my best friend. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. Without me, my knife is useless. Without my knife, I am useless. I must employ my knife true. I must be more prepared than any task that requires my hand. I must be ready to use my